Flavors of Python. Different flavors are available in Python. First one, CPython. CPython is a standard flavor of Python. It is used for C language applications. Jython or JPython. It is used for Java applications. IronPython. IronPython is used for C# and .NET applications. PyPy, this means Python for speed, high performance. Anaconda Python. Anaconda Python is Python. Anaconda Python is used for to handle the big data. And Ruby Python is used for Ruby applications. These are the flavors in Python.